Are you concerned about your blood pressure or overall heart health? A low-sodium diet can improve heart health and can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll break down the key foods to avoid and offer delicious alternatives to help you reduce your sodium intake. Understanding sodium. A low-sodium diet can help prevent fluid buildup in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like high blood pressure, heart failure, and kidney disease. Many processed foods contain high amounts of added sodium. Be aware of hidden sources like canned soups, sauces, frozen meals, and packaged snacks. Tips for reducing sodium. Read labels, check food labels for sodium content and choose low-sodium options. According to the American Diabetic Association, look for products with less than 5% daily value of sodium per serving. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially when eating processed foods. Eat out wisely. When dining out, choose restaurants that offer healthier options and request food without added salt. Gradually reduce sodium. Regularly changing your diet will help you adjust to a lower sodium lifestyle. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that can have a positive impact on heart health. Aim to consume at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines per week. These healthy fats can help lower triglycerides, another type of blood fat that can contribute to heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can also improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, which are both important for heart health. You can also get omega-3 fatty acids from plant-based sources like flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is another important nutrient for heart health. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of fiber per day. Consuming a diet rich in fiber can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This can lead to lower overall cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Foods to avoid. Salt. Avoid adding extra salt to your meals. Even a small amount can add up quickly. Limit your consumption of processed foods, which are often high in sodium. Examples include canned foods, frozen meals, snacks, and condiments. Cured and smoked meats are typically high in sodium. Opt for fresh or grilled meats instead. Certain cheeses like American and processed cheeses are high in sodium. Choose lower sodium alternatives or read labels carefully. Healthy alternatives. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in sodium and provide essential nutrients. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Choose lean sources of protein like poultry, fish, and beans. Cooking at home gives you more control over the sodium content of your meals. Use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. By making conscious choices and incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your sodium intake and improve your overall health. A low-sodium diet is an important step towards a healthier heart. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions.